joining us.
Good morning, McGraw.
All right, what happened? What happened all the way back on Friday?
Way back on Friday, the Dow was up 19 points. It closed at 25,219. Now, we were up over 230 points, but the big rally gave way for the long holiday weekend. Financials were the best performers, while higher dividend stocks lagged. For the week, the Dow was up 4.3%, despite the yield on the 10-year U.S. Treasury going higher. It ended the week at 2.877%, its highest level since January of 2014.
All right. Company news around the country. Albertsons. We don't have any here, but they're one of the biggest supermarket chains in America. What's going on there?
You bet they are. Closely held grocer store operator Albertsons is buying Rite Aid stores not being acquired by Walgreens. Rite Aid is the third largest drugstore in the U.S., and the combined company will have a market cap of $24 billion and revenue of $83 billion. The cash and stock deal will help Albertsons go public, likely this year.
All right. And then I deposit my check at Home Depot every month. They got to be doing well.
Yeah. Home Depot reported strong numbers this morning. Revenue came in at $23.9 billion, and they made a profit of $1.8 billion. Now, both those numbers were better than expected. Same-store sales increased 7.5%, and their average ticket increased to $64, up from $60.65. Home Depot raised their dividend for the 9th consecutive year. It will now be $1.03, an increase of 15.7%. So nice little increase if you're getting the dividend there.
All right, and then Qualcomm, how about them?
Now, Qualcomm is planning on increasing its offer to buy NXP Semiconductor to $44 billion, up from $39 billion. The deal will help Qualcomm fend off offer from Broadcom. Broadcom offered $121 billion to buy out Qualcomm, but said they would withdraw the offer if Qualcomm makes an offer on NXP. So it's confusing, but shows that companies think there is tremendous value in the semiconductor space.
Yeah, all right, interesting. All right, some interesting news. Markets today after the 3-day weekend.
Well, after a 3-day weekend, the Dow right now looks off 100 points on the futures, but it's early. After a long holiday weekend, we will get more earnings this week, as well as the FOMC minutes, existing home sales, and the leading economic indicators. So I'll see all those things come out and see how they move markets.
Scott Carruthers with Stifel Nicholas. Have yourself a good day. Thanks for getting up early with us.